You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these Japanese expressions, as well as how to say more interesting and useful Japanese vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. The meaning is nice to meet you in Japanese. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite is how you say it. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. I'll see you soon for more correct pronunciations. Learn more Japanese. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.